So are you the one who uses Facebook lead ads to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads to Go High Level CRM. So like you, I also use Facebook lead ads to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, I want to add the lead details into my Go High Level CRM. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Go High Level. And we are going to create this connection without knowing even a single line of programming or coding language, using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Go High Level. But before we create this connection, I'll show you the proper working of this. So as you can see that, let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook and they are interested and they fill in this lead form. So let's click on this continue and then submit and fill in this lead form. Now after they fill in this lead form, let's open our Go High Level, and as you can see now we have 4 contacts. But let's refresh this contact list. And once we're going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see that now the contacts will turn into 5 and the new lead details will be added right over here as the contacts in my Go High Level CRM. You're going to see the same name, phone and email. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And to create this automation, you just need Pabbly Connect. So you have to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go in that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Go on sign up for free, and then automatically you are going to receive 100 tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Log in inside Pabbly Connect, open the dashboard and then the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. After coming to this window, just follow me. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So let's get started. Click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook. So let's type Facebook over here and search for Facebook lead ads and select it. And now for the action event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. But before clicking on this connect with Facebook lead ads, you have to make sure that you log in your Facebook account. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in a Facebook account, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. And once you get this option, just simply click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what you have to do is you have to select the page and the lead gen form. So as you can see, the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm going to select the same, which is Natural Glow Skincare. Now for the lead gen form, I'm going to select the form for which I want to create this automation and turn on this simple response button. It is really important to turn this on, otherwise you will not receive the response in the simpler format. Now after switching it on, you have to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response. To do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers, and I am going to open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After opening this landing page, what I have to do is I have to go towards resources and then towards the developer tools. Alright, so follow me, go on this resources and then the developer tools. And once we come on this developer tools, we have to scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool. And now it is going to open my lead ads testing tool, using which we are going to create a test lead. Alright, so now let's select the same page and the form which we selected in our workflow. For the product, we have to select lead retrieval and we have to click on this preview form. Now we have to fill in this form. So I'm going to select the skin type. Now I'm just going to enter the first name, then I'm going to enter the last name and then the email address. So I'm going to simply fill in this form by entering all of these details. Now I'm going to enter this phone number and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And with this, we have successfully submitted this and we have successfully did the test submission. So now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going going to capture the response over here. You're going to see that Pabbly has captured this response 3 seconds ago, and the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. Now let's add these details in our Go High level. So to do this, I'm going to click on this Add New Action step. In order to connect Go High level with Pabbly Connect, search for Lead Connector and select Lead Connector V2. For the event, you have to select it as Create Contact and click on this Connect. Once again, if you have already created this connection, go on this Select Existing Connection and then Save. But if you haven't, click on Add a New Connection and then connect with Lead Connector V2. Once again, it is really important that you log in your application before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy and you don't have to log in again and again. Alright, and once you click on this Connect with Lead Connector over here, it is asking for some permissions. So let's click on this Accept and give Pabbly all the permissions. And I'm going to give the permission only for a single account. So I'm going to search for the account, and once I select the account and give the permission, yes, with this my Go High level account is connected. Now one by one I'm going to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all of these details which are required, or the details which I want to fill in. And now you're going to see it is asking me for many another details. So we are only going to enter the details which are required and click on this Save and Send Test Request. And once we're going to click on this Save and Send Test Request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact. So let's open our Go High level and we're going to refresh this page. And once you're going to refresh this page, you're going to see a new contact will be created with the same details which we entered right now. So let's wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, these same details have been added, be it the name, email or the phone number. Alright, I'm just going to open it once again, and you're going to see the details have been added, the same name, email and phone number. And with this, we have successfully completed this workflow. Now we don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on Save and Send Test Request. Like I showed you in the starting of this video, whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook Lead Ads, automatically within seconds the contact will be created in my Go High level. All of this is going to happen in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And yes, while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add this workflow link in the description box below so that you can access my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.